Most accounting firms are using Claude the exact same way. They ask a question, they get an answer, and they move on. And some are just using it to write emails. The problem is the output sounds like AI because they haven't trained it. They haven't told Claude who they are, how they communicate, or what their clients need to hear. So they're getting generic drafts and calling that an AI strategy. If you run an accounting firm and you're ready to go further than that, this is the video for you. I'm Mike Libbey, CEO of YBL, a fully virtual Canadian accounting and tax firm that's been operating for over 20 years. We've built over 40 AI tools specifically for accounting operations. And our secret is we stopped using Claude like a search engine and started using it like a system. Think about your morning. You open your inbox and there are hundreds of unread emails. Somewhere in there are 3 that need your attention today. But finding them means going through everything else first. That used to be how my morning started too, and it doesn't anymore. Now before we get too deep, let me answer some questions you're worried about. Everything in this video requires a paid Claude plan. Pro or Max if you're solo, Team or Enterprise if you're running this across a firm. Quick privacy note, Team and Enterprise never train on your data, and that's just built in. Pro does train on your data by default, so if you're in Pro, go flip that off in settings under privacy. For full audit trail and control over how long your data sticks around, that's what Enterprise adds. Team already gets you secure login and role-based access built in. Okay, with that out of the way, let's dive in. By this point, I'm going to assume you have Claude installed and set up. If not, pause this video and do that first. The first feature is projects. Everything else on this list works better once this is set up. Most people use Claude as a chat. You open a window, type something, get a response, and then you close that chat, open a new one, and Claude has limited memory of what came before. Every conversation almost starts close to 0. That's why so many firms feel like they're re-explaining themselves constantly, because they are. Projects fix that. A project is a dedicated workspace inside Claude where you load context that carries across every conversation you open inside it. Your firm's SOPs, your pricing, your internal processes. Claude inherits all of it automatically. You're not starting from scratch every time. So here's an idea. You run a project per client. Each project holds that client's entity structure, their filing history, your internal notes, and any notes on the relationship. Anytime a team member needs background on a client, they open the project. Any chat you run inside it already knows who the client is and how you work with them. So set up your projects first. Everything else we're covering today will build onto them. The second feature is skills, and this is the most accessible thing on this list. No technical setup required. In fact, you can build your first skill today. Most people use Claude by prompting it. You type something, Claude responds. The skill is different. You define a process one time, and then Claude runs that same process on demand for anyone on your team every single time they need it. A skill is a set of instructions you build inside Claude that tells it exactly how to handle a specific task. Your process, your output, your format, your standards. And once it's saved, anyone on your team can call on it anytime. We built our skills using Claude's Skill Builder. So you describe the task, define the process steps, and Claude packages it into a reusable workflow. The build took us a few minutes, and now each one runs in seconds. So let me show you what that looks like at YBL. We actually just built a VCFO review skill you can call on at any time. A team member uses it, gives it the client name and reporting period, and Claude pulls the data and runs a review process and outputs a complete check-in client email and visual report, a plain language snapshot of where they stand financially, a tax provisioning estimate, and any follow-up items we still need from them. That used to take us hours per client to put that together properly. Now it takes a few minutes. A new team member gets the same output as your most experienced person. The knowledge is in the skill, not walking out the door when someone leaves. Pro tip, once you've built your skills library, you can start shifting more execution to junior staff and free up your senior people for the work that requires judgment. Think about the recurring tasks in your firm that rely on someone knowing the right steps. A tax prep checklist, or a client onboarding review, or a monthly reconciliation check. Every one of those is a skill waiting to be built. You can even build a branding skill so Claude's always got your firm's colors and voice on hand. Trust me, how pretty are those? In the VCFO review skill, Claude was able to pull a lot of our clients' information from Notion, and what made that possible is what Claude calls connectors. Connectors are integrations that link Claude directly to external software, so your email or your calendar or your practice management system. Claude can pull information from those tools and act inside them. So at YBL, we've connected Claude to Notion, QuickBooks, Microsoft 365, among many others. For those of you who are a little bit more technical, this is all built on MCP, or Model Context Protocol. It's an open standard that lets Claude communicate with external software, and the connector library is already massive. Slack, Google Drive, Carbon, hundreds more that are available right now. Notion is our knowledge base. All of our pricing data, internal SOPs, and process documentation live there. So instead of a team member searching through Notion manually, they ask Claude in plain language, and it pulls the answer directly. What's our VCFO pricing for a client at this revenue level? Claude goes to Notion and tells you. The Microsoft 365 connection is where it gets more powerful. I'll give you a real example. I needed to invoice a major software partner for reimbursements on a project we'd worked together on. And so I asked Claude to find the relevant contract in my inbox, pull all the receipts I had in my email, and build an invoice. And it did all of that automatically. So it also knew I drove to Toronto for this. So it calculated the mileage from when I drove to the event, added it to the invoice, and I clicked one button to send. What used to be a frustrating hour of hunting through emails and pulling it all together manually, Claude just handled the entire thing, end to end. Connectors work by bringing Claude into the tools already running your business, applying a layer of AI to the software that holds your data and manages your workflows. But what if some of those tools came with their own AI enablement built in, making the workflows themselves more efficient and accurate from the inside? For accounts payable specifically, there's one platform we've been using at YBL that does exactly that, and I think you're going to want to hear about it. It's called MakersHub. It's an AI-powered accounts payable platform that's built for businesses that are tired of chasing paper, chasing approvals, and chasing down what actually got paid. It pulls bills in automatically, and it reads them with AI that fully understands your chart of accounts. It routes approvals to the right people, and it syncs cleanly into your accounting system like QuickBooks Online. The team gets hours of their week back, and the books stay clean, and month-end stops being a fire drill. We did a full deep dive video on MakersHub on our channel, and you can find it linked right here. And I've also left a link in the description if you want to schedule a demo with your team. MakersHub is like your favorite coworker that takes a repetitive, error-prone process and just handles it. And speaking of your favorite coworker, Claude Cowork is available on the local Claude desktop application that can execute tasks on your computer. You're no longer constrained to a text box. Cowork can actually work on the files, not just moving or renaming them, but physically opening them and doing work inside them. And you can schedule it to run automatically, no prompting required. So let me tell you how I use it every morning. Before Cowork, I was opening my inbox to hundreds of unread emails. Somewhere in there were things that needed my attention that day, and finding them meant going through everything else first. Cowork now runs on a schedule before I sit down. So it connects my email, my calendar, my Carbon, Notion tasks, checks the weather because why not? It reviews everything and sends me a Slack message before I even open up my laptop. By the time I sit down, I already know my top priorities, I have draft responses queued up for the emails that need replies, and I know what my day looks like. My morning starts informed instead of overwhelmed. For file work, Cowork can go through your folders, apply your naming conventions, and reorganize documents automatically. If your team is spending time on that kind of manual file management, this is where you recover it. True story. 2 years ago, an admin of ours spent the better part of 6 months reorganizing our entire client folder structures. This can now quite literally be done with one prompt and a bunch of Claude tokens. Not to mention that now Claude can also control a browser through a connector called Claude and Chrome. It's a browser extension that gives Claude direct access to what's on your screen. A few examples of what that looks like in practice for accounting firms. So you can pull a client's filing history from a CRA portal, navigate web-based tools that don't have a direct connector built yet, or auto-filling forms across government and financial platforms. Think of Cowork as your desktop and file automation, and Claude and Chrome as your browser automation. But I want to be straight about where it is right now. It works, but it needs supervision. Don't walk away and let it run unsupervised on web tasks yet. So what does work without a shadow of a doubt, and is a tool that I've built most of my 40 AI tools with, is Claude Code. Claude Code is the most technical feature on this list, and I want to be straight about what that takes. Claude Code is an agentic coding tool. You describe what you need built, Claude writes the code, runs it, fixes what breaks without you touching a single line. It works through a build the way a developer would. The difference is you're directing it in plain language. Every accounting firm has workflows that generic software don't handle the way you need it to. You've either built workarounds in spreadsheets or accepted that a custom solution is out of reach because building one felt too expensive or way too technical. Claude Code makes it possible. Before you try it, one thing worth knowing, Claude Code gives you the control over how autonomous it is. You can set it to auto-execute, and it writes and runs the code immediately, and you can see those results. Or you can have it pause after each step so you can review before it proceeds. If you're just getting started, keep the review on. As you build confidence, you can open it up. I gotta be honest, there's a learning curve. The first time you use Claude Code, expect to spend time figuring out how to direct it effectively. But once it clicks, it's the highest leverage feature on this list. At YBL, we use Claude Code alongside Lovable. Lovable handles the front end, the interface your team or clients interact with. It's visual, fast to build in, and you can publish directly as a web app without having to use other deployment software. Claude Code handles the engineering and code underneath. If you want a few free Lovable credits, check out the link in the description. The best example for us is Client Flow. It's a CRM we built internally to manage our leads. So when a new client comes in, Client Flow categorizes it by source, identifies what they're looking for, and sends an automatic engagement email. Lovable built the interface, but as we got into the actual software engineering, the logic, integrations, and bugs that surface when you're building something, that's where Claude Code did the heavy lifting. It solved problems and debugged issues Lovable couldn't handle on its own. We now have a fully custom CRM built exactly to our specifications for a fraction of what traditional software development could have cost. 3 more things worth knowing about before we wrap. So number 1 is artifacts. Claude can build live dashboards, calculators, and structured outputs directly inside a chat. It'll pull your client's QuickBooks data, ask Claude to build a financial dashboard from it. The output lives in the conversation, which makes it a bit clunky to share externally right now. But for internal analysis or quick client-facing visuals, it's a useful tool to have available. Number 2 is Claude in Excel. Claude built directly into your spreadsheets. It reads your entire workbook, explains formulas with cell-level citations, and makes changes for you while preserving all the dependencies. For accounting teams that live in Excel, this is probably the fastest practical win on this entire list. And your skills and connectors carry straight into it, so everything you've already built works there too. Finally, Claude Design. This one's a bit newer. You describe what you need, a client proposal, one-pager, a presentation deck, and Claude builds it with your firm's brand colors and fonts already applied. No designer required for the first draft. It's still early, so treat what comes out as a strong starting point. But for a firm that's constantly putting together client-facing materials, this is a real time saver. And that's the full Claude stack. Projects and skills as your foundation, context that carries, and processes that scale. Connectors and co-work bringing that intelligence into the tools and files you already work in. And Claude Code when you're ready to build something custom. If you're running an accounting firm and you're not actively deploying AI across your entire operation, you're already behind. The firms that figure this out now are going to look very different from the ones that don't in 3 years. And if any of this feels like a lot, my friend Chad Davis built a community specifically for accountants and bookkeepers to learn this together. It's called Automation Town. I'll leave a link in the description below. I've been a part of the community for a long time and I cannot recommend it enough. Claude is only part of what we use at YBL. I did an entire breakdown on the AI tools we built and deployed on top of Claude, the full stack we run the firm on. If you want to see what that looks like in practice, I condensed 5 years of AI knowledge into a single video. I'll see you there.